Hi everyone, I'm Anya. This is your Cricket Tips Daily News brought to you today by Win-Win, where we bring you all the biggest stories from the IPL as they happen. In a mid-season shake-up, the Chennai Super Kings have signed South African youngster Dewald Brevis for the remainder of IPL 2025. Brevis comes in as a replacement for pacer Gurjapneet Singh, who has been ruled out due to injury. Known as Baby AB, for his resemblance to AB de Villiers in both style and stroke play, Brevis went unsold in the IPL 2025 auction despite a base price of 75 lakh rupees. He previously played for the Mumbai Indians, scoring 230 runs in 10 matches with an average of 23 and a strike rate of 133.72. Since then, Brevis has been making headlines outside the IPL. He smashed 57 off just 29 balls in the SA 2020-25 opener for Me Cape Town, lighting up the stage with 6 sixes, including his trademark no-look shot. He also hit a blistering century in the Issei Provincial One-Day Challenge, a clear signal of his growing form and confidence. With CSK currently grappling with an unstable middle order, Brevis's arrival could provide the firepower they desperately need. The franchise is hoping his aggressive style will be the perfect fit as they push for a strong finish this season. Fans will be eagerly watching to see how Baby AB performs in yellow. Bengaluru's weather is once again under the spotlight ahead of tonight's IPL 2025 clash between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Punjab Kings at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. With both teams looking to build on recent wins, all eyes are now on the skies. The latest weather update brings a bit of relief for fans. There's currently no significant threat of rain. Temperatures are expected to hover around 34 degrees Celsius, with humidity at 35%, making it a hot and sticky evening. But while there may not be rainfall, the high humidity could lead to heavy dew later in the match, a factor that could influence bowling and fielding conditions, especially in the second innings. The good news is that Chinnaswamy is well equipped to handle a sudden downpour if it does happen. Thanks to its advanced Subir drainage system, even heavy rain usually doesn't result in long delays. RCB and PBKS both come into this match with momentum, and fans are hopeful that the weather won't be the deciding factor. For now, all signs point to a full game, but as always in Bengaluru, a little unpredictability is never off the table. That wraps up today's Cricket Tips Daily News, brought to you by Puntit. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your IPL and PSL updates, and check out the latest odds at cricketips.com. I'm Anya, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.